New car plants are being called gigantic money furnaces. That's what Tesla's CEO says about its new electric vehicle factories. More on that coming up. Good afternoon, welcome to ANN. I'm Laura Harris. Today we have the latest stories from our reporters to you. But first, let's begin with Toyota. The automaker cut its stake in Uber Technologies by about half. The world's largest car maker by volume held 5.13 million shares of Uber as of March. This is different than the more than 10 million shares it owned a year earlier. Toyota wants to maintain a good relationship with Uber moving forward. Up next, NHTSA wants automakers to collect more black box crash data. Now, black boxes are event data recorders. The proposal would require black boxes to collect 20 seconds of pre-crash data at a high-frequency rate. The U.S. safety regulators plan to use this to better understand the actions that lead to a crash. Now, NHTSA only requires 5 seconds of data at a slower collection rate for vehicles. Do you know what the sound of money on fire sounds like? Elon Musk says he does. Tesla's CEO says the company's two newest car plants are losing billions of dollars. He calls the factories gigantic money furnaces. Musk says there are two main reasons they are struggling to increase production: a shortage of batteries and port issues in China. The unanswered question: how will Tesla keep factories operating to pay people and not go bankrupt? Things are heating up as it's about to be an electric summer for Dodge. The Stellantis brand plans to preview future products in August during what it calls Speed Week. Dodge plans to have a series of product announcements in mid-August that will lead up to Detroit's Woodward Dream Cruise. The brand will have a display there for the first time since 2019. There's some sad news in the auto community. Auto retail and racing pioneer Bruton Smith has passed away. He was well known for Sonic Automotive, the public dealership he founded. He launched the company back in November 1997 with 20 dealerships. Today, it is the 7th largest U.S. auto retailer with over 100 dealerships and 25 automotive brands. He was 95 years old and died of natural causes. We all may get tired while driving, but what if there was a solution to fix that? Well, there just may be. A new startup, Hydron, is working on self-driving trucks that will not get tired. It's all part of a plan to change long-haul trucking. Hydron officials plan to design and build hydrogen-powered Class 8 trucks. Regulatory changes will eliminate service hour limitations to allow trucks to stay on the road for as long as their propulsion system keeps them going. In terms of manufacturing, Hydron is not disclosing further details. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to go to AUTONEWS.com and click on First Shift to watch our next show. And follow us on Twitter at AutoNewsTV and online at AutoNews.com for updates from our reporters all day, every day. I'm your host, Laura Harris. See you all next time.